So what you've got here is how to run the upright vacuum. So I'm going to turn it on. And what you do with this is you run this in a long pattern like this. And when you want to, you come back. Instead of running back and forth, but watch what happens. You see the dust that came out of there right away?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought we'll do this.
You see the amount of dust that came out of there? I mean, almost instantly after I turned it on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so you could see it from there. That tells me that my upright vacuum cleaner wasn't capable of getting the ground in dirt. I mean, I'm just using 2 fingers. And people tell me that these types of mats are the hardest to clean. They don't want them because they're too hard to clean. Obviously, they haven't been to my class. Oh, I dumped some of it out already. You see how much debris we've got in there?
Yeah.
And the fine. This is what didn't come up with the vacuum. We ran over the carpet 4 times with the upright. We ran over it with the brush machine already 4 times first. This is a second 4-time pass.